Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahmed Arabic Academy. Today, I brought to you Egyptian Arabic dialects. It is very important dialects because a large number of Egyptians are working in GCC countries and you work with them. So it is opportunity to learn Egyptian dialect. It would be edge, okay, to communicate with them, to build a relation with them. So, so stay connected for 20 minutes. So I take to you screen. Yes, just this opening. Yes. So you can see now. So here is Egyptian dialect. So 10 words, okay, and 10 sentences, and common 10 words and 10 sentences. See, first here is see, you can see here first is Izzayak. Okay, Izzayak. Izzayak means how are you? Izzayak. Suppose if you address any Egyptian male, so suppose if you address Egyptian male, so you are addressing male, so you would say Izzayak. Izzayak means how are you? And suppose you are addressing female, so you say Izzayak. See here, Izzayak. So Izzayak addressing male, how are you? And Izzayak addressing female, how are you? Izzayak. And how to answer? Suppose I am good, I am fine. So you can say I am good, I am fine. Ana kois. Okay, so kois is what is kois means good. You can say ana kois. Ana kois. Ana kois means I am good. Ana kois. I am good. Male. Okay, and I am good female. Ana koisa. Ana koisa. Ana koisa. So ana koisa. I am female. Ana koisa. Okay, ana koisa. So I am male. I am good. Ana kois. Ana kois. Ana kois. Ana kois. And I am female. I am good. You can say ana koisa. Ana koisa. Ana koisa. Done? Okay. Next common word is see. Tamam. So you can say sometimes tamam is okay. Tamam is okay. Perfect. All right. Tamam is okay. Mashi. Mashi means okay and deal and fine. Mashi. Mashi means it will be okay. Suppose what is situation? When to say mashi? Suppose, suppose, uh, suppose, suppose you have to pay 100 riyal to someone. For example, you have to pay 100 riyal to someone, and you say, I will pay tomorrow. I will pay tomorrow. So second person say, no problem. It's okay. So it's okay. So it's okay. No problem. It's okay. It will be okay. Yeah, fine or deal. So you can say mashi. Hmm? Mashi. So you have to pay 100 riyal to someone, and you say, if I if I pay tomorrow, mashi, it will be okay. Second person will say, okay, mashi. Mashi. So this is situation of mashi. Means okay, it will be okay, fine, deal. Mashi. Okay, tamam. Now move to next letter. So move to next letter. Here is lay. Lay. Lay is very important. Lay. Lay means my. Lay means why. Why? Okay. Suppose leh anta. For example, leh. Uh, leh anta. Leh anta night. Why are you sleeping? Leh anta night. Leh anta night. Leh anta. Leh anta naim. Naim means sleeping. Leh anta naim. Leh anta naim. Leh anta naim means why are you sleeping? So anta, leh anta naim. Why are you sleeping? Why are you Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? Lay anta nine. And your answer, I am not good. So you can say in Egyptian dialect, Ana, Ana, Ana mish. Here is what is mish. Ana mish kois. Ana mish kois means I am not good. Ana mish kois. Ana. So you can say here is I write is Ana. Ana mish kois. I am not well. Ana mish. Ana mish. Ana mish kois. I am not well. Ana mish kois. Ana mish kois. I am not well. Okay. So Ana mish kois. So Ana mish kois. Ana mish kois means I am not well. I am not well. I am not well. Ana mish kois. I am not well. Okay. Now next is khalas. So khalas is very important dialect. Khalas means done. Suppose something is done. Okay, finished. You can say khalas. But the khalas means suppose food. Food done? Is food done? Is food done? Okay. Suppose ta'am khalas. Ta'am. I write in Arabic. Ta'am. Ta'am khalas. Ta'am. 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 Ta'am khalas. Ta'am khalas means ta'am khalas. Ta'am khalas. The question ta'am khalas it means food done. So this food is food done? Is food done? Ta'am khalas? And your answer suppose yes, you can say aywa, aywa khalas. Aywa, aywa khalas. Yes done. Aywa, aywa khalas. Yes done. Aywa khalas. Okay, it means food is finished. Okay, you can say aywa khalas. Okay, aywa, aywa khalas means yes done. Yes done. Mazboot. Okay. Yes. Now next word is common word. Common next word is here is what is here. Okay. Khalas. Now, so I missed two word and leh is done. So mish is also done. Okay. And khalas is done. And how to say what is fein? Fein means in Egyptian dialect where. Okay. Where. For example, where are you going? So you can say you can make sentence. Yeah, where are you going? You can say fein antaro. Fein anta. So fein anta. Fein antaro. So fein antaro. Matlab, where are you going? Fein antaro. So you can say are where are you? Where are you? So where are you going? Where antaro? Where are you going? Where antaro? And suppose answer is I'm going to market. Ana ro ila souk. Ana ro Ana ro ila means two. Ana ro ila souk. Ana ro ila souk. I'm going to market. So ana ro ila souk. Ro ila Ana ro ila souk. I'm going to market. I am going to I am going to market. Egyptian dialects very famous. Ana ro ila souk. Now next word is dil waqti. Dil waqti means now. Okay. Suppose same sentence you can frame. Where are you going now? Where are you going? Where are you going now? You can say Fein, Fein anta, Fein anta, Fein antaro, Fein antaro, dil wakti now. Okay, dil wakti, dil wakti, dil wakti, dil wakti, dil wakti. When antaro, so means Fein, Fein anta, so Fein antaro, dil wakti. Dil Wakti means where are you going now? Where are you? Where are you going now? So you can say Anaro ilasu. Dil wakti, I'm going to market now. And here is important is phrase yalla. Yalla means let's go. Okay, yalla ro. Okay, so how to say let's go? Let's go. You can say yalla ro. Yalla ro. means let's go. Yalla, yalla means let's go. Yeah, hurry up. Yalla ro. Yalla ro means let's go. Yalla ro. Yalla ro. So yalla, yalla ro. You can say yalla ro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Done. Okay. So these are 10 common words Egyptian dialect. Okay. So I hope you might have enjoyed. Okay. These 10 common Egyptian dialect. Okay. So it is opportunity. If anyone wants to learn Egyptian dialect step by step, can join my class. Okay. So DM me. I will contact you, and you can learn Egyptian Arabic step by step. Okay, so what to do? Please like, share to one who is interested to learn Egyptian Arabic. Okay, so please like, share, and follow my page, Fahmad Quran, Fahmad Arabic Academy. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll see you in next session. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, ma'assalama, ila اللقاء. See you or shufak بعدين. We'll see later. شوفك بعدين. We'll see later.